Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to make your cleaning routine both efficient and hassle-free. We found the Bieiao Cordless Vacuum Cleaner online, and we've included the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Bieiao Cordless Vacuum is a lightweight 6-in-1 stick cleaner designed for modern living. It combines convenience with power, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean home without the constraints of traditional vacuum cleaners. What sets this vacuum apart is its powerful 2024 upgraded motor, which delivers impressive suction power of up to 20 kilopascals, with an option to increase it to 28 kilopascals for tougher messes. This makes it suitable for everything from dust and debris to pet hair, cat litter, and even spilled dog food. One of the standout features of the Bieiao vacuum is its high-efficiency 6-layer filtration system, which captures an impressive 99.99% of microscopic dust particles. This not only aids in prolonging the lifespan of the vacuum but also ensures that your indoor air remains clean and healthy. The vacuum features a generous 1.5-liter dust cup that uses a one-touch dumping design, allowing you to empty it without making contact with the waste. This hygienic feature is a real game-changer, especially for those who might be sensitive to allergens. Battery life is always a concern with cordless devices, and the Bieiao vacuum does not disappoint. It comes with a removable 2200 mAh rechargeable battery that provides up to 40 minutes of runtime on a low setting and 20 minutes on high suction mode. An LED display on the main body keeps you informed about the remaining battery level, the suction mode currently in use, and any potential error alarms. This thoughtful design means you can plan your cleaning sessions without worrying about running out of power unexpectedly. The vacuum is also equipped with a rotatable floor brush and a telescopic tube, allowing for a customized cleaning experience. The ergonomics of this vacuum enable you to adjust the cleaning height to your comfort level. Moreover, the brush head supports a 0 degrees to 180 degrees side-to-side swivel and a 0 degrees to 90 degrees up and down swivel, which provides you with the flexibility to clean under furniture and into those hard-to-reach corners with ease. So, who is this vacuum suitable for? If you have pets, live in a busy household, or simply want a lightweight option that doesn't compromise on power, the Bieiao Cordless Vacuum is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for anyone looking to switch to a more convenient cleaning solution without the hassle of cords or heavy machinery. In practical use cases, you can easily transition from cleaning hard floors to carpets, thanks to its adjustable suction modes. Whether you're tackling a quick daily cleanup of crumbs in the kitchen or doing a more thorough vacuuming session in your living room, this vacuum adapts to your needs seamlessly. Plus, it's lightweight enough to carry between rooms or even up and down stairs without straining your back. In summary, the Bieiao Cordless Vacuum Cleaner packs a punch with its powerful motor, smart filtration system, and user-friendly design. If you're in the market for a versatile, efficient, and hygienic cleaning tool, this vacuum should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching.